Hi, welcome to my kitchen. My name is Stephanie. I'm a classically trained pastry chef and the owner of a boutique bakery in New Jersey. Today, I'll be demonstrating how to make a gluten-free pumpkin whoopie pie. But first, what is a whoopie pie? It consists of 2 soft cake-like cookies sandwiched between a creamy filling. Throw in a little bit of pumpkin and some autumn spices and you have a nostalgic fall dessert. So let's get started. So that's it. For a printable recipe, please see the link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, please consider giving me a thumbs up and hitting that subscribe button. Thanks for joining me today. Have a great day.